Hello, estimators. How are you today? Welcome to my channel. Uh, as you guys know that I do estimation for Australian homes, and welcome to my channel to NJ Takeoffs. So today I am starting the new work. Okay. So today we know how to check how to read the commercial drawings. As you guys know that I only done previously the house, single story house, double story house, and all on that. But today we will discuss about the how commercial places are built in Australia and how to read the drawings of commercial buildings like this one. As you Let's jump to the screen and check that what is the drawing and how we can read it. Okay. So in this, you guys are watching that like this is a multi-storic building. Okay, and here is the elevation. In this elevation, you can check there is two, one, two, three, four, five. It's a five-story building. Okay, it's a commercial building. Okay, in which there are a lot of apartments on per floor. Okay, so just come to this one place in which they have provided the car parking over here. Okay, this is the garage from where the like common garage from where the cars will go in and the parking over here parked over here. Okay, so in this place you can check like this is a plan level 00. If you see like these are stairs, these are common areas. Okay, this is a corridor. Okay, these are rooms. Generally, if somebody sees they said yeah it's a simple drawing. Okay, it's a simple thing like this, but there is a lot of difference between these things. Like this one, this is one house which is on the ground floor like bed one. Okay, and it has like you can check here. In this you have kitchen over here. Okay, here is a planter, here is your small balcony type. Okay, and here is your wet area. Okay, and here is your bedroom. Okay, and this is the common corridor area. Now if you see like I just want to divide the screen to show you. In whole building there are two type of dividation of area has been done. Okay, like for the corridors, if you can check, they have also shown you the type of two type. There are only two types of corridor which you have to check. Like this one is type this, that this is the corridor. Okay, if you can check, yeah, here is the one lift, single lift. There is a single lift and all on that. This is the stairs from here. Okay, one is this type of corridor you will find. Okay, and one is this type of corridor you will also find in this building. Okay, and these two type of corridors you will find when you go up and up from this base place. Okay, in this base place you can check these are the things. Now my main motive to show you guys these drawing is that there is a lot of difference in the drawings. Sometimes people just calculate the single thing, like they calculate the single. If you can check like this, there are lots of washroom types. This washroom is different to this washroom. Okay, here is the different thing, here is the different thing. Okay, but you have to find this type of washroom matching in the drawing. Like this bed is one type 1C, this bed is type 1C. Both bedding are matched, both washrooms are matched. So you just need to check the section for this type of any, like this one here. They mention you the let me show you. Okay, one of the bedroom, suppose this is a typical bedroom for 1E. Okay, in which they will give all the information that where comes what. Okay, here's the screeding, here's the tiling. Okay, there's the kitchen, and they show each and everything. Like even though in the legend of the electrical, like one switch, where we get the one switch, where we have to calculate. So you just need to calculate this 1E. Okay, in this. You calculated that 1E, okay, and you just find that where is the 1E in the same type, 1E, one bed. Okay, this is 1E but 2. Okay, this is not the same thing. Okay, now we will go again another place like this one. In this one, there is 1E. Okay, and this is the different part. Okay, this is like you will find most of them on the right, where you find like this place. This is 1E1. Okay, one bed loft, same plan, same everything. Now you find this same thing over here. If we have like only here, we have this one. Okay, and then on the other floor, okay, on the other floor we have the same one, 1.01, same. Okay, here is one, there is another. Now this is, now you can check, there is another bed type 2. Okay, then you have to calculate the bed type 2. Okay, this is bed type 2A, this is bed type 2B. Okay, 2A is like this. Okay, and 2B is like this. 2A full details are over here. So here you have the all the electrical plans, that where is the one switch, okay, where are the lightning, where are the downlights. Like if you need to calculate the electrical, you can calculate it from here. This is the like one light, two light, three light, four lights. Okay, so from here you can calculate all the lights. Okay, and from here you can calculate that it's a single GPO or double GPO, how many GPOs are there. Okay, for which you have to provide the lights, and for which appliances you have to provide, like this is the fridge one, this is the dishwasher point. Okay, and here is the AC duct is also should be there. Okay, and here is the like this is the cooktop, oven and range hood point. This is your, these all things you calculate. Just all my purpose is to say that you need to just calculate the one room. Okay, you calculate this whole room, you need to match it in your drawing, you will get each and every quantity. You calculate your whole electrical, you get your whole quantity of the electric. The same thing, you calculated the tiles from here, like this one. You calculate the tiles, you need to just get to the places where are the tiles. But sometimes in drawings it is mentioned that this place is varies. That example is not here, but I have seen in many commercial drawings that in some places they have mentioned that the length varies. Like if they show the powder room or any laundry room, they say that the length varies. Then you have to calculate each and everything as a single. That is a typical process. Okay, that will let that is a time consuming. Okay, and that will be give you a hard hit. But the drawing like this is very simple to learn and to calculate each and everything, like kitchen island. Okay, here it is mentioned that the joinery part schedule, you just need to that how much height is over there, how much width is over there. Okay, yeah, here you have like this one is your uh, this is your mm, uh, this is your pavers. Okay, and this one is your, this may be, yes, this is the wooden flooring, some other flooring, I think so, wooden flooring, yeah, this is the wooden flooring. This is the these are the tiles, TL01. Okay, this is the downstairs of the room. And okay, this is the tile over here. So here we have same that electrical plan. You need to calculate this for the single room, and then you can multiply it with how much you find in your all the levels. Okay, and this one, like they have mentioned you some sort of signs also, that 3A, in which there are two side tiles on the corridor side, that will be 3A. Then you have to find that the where is the 3A will come. Okay, this is 3B apartment, and this is 1A1 apartment, and this is also this. So let us check if we find any 3A. This is the 3B. Okay, this is the type 3A. This is this, this is this, this is type 1A3. Now this is also not come like this. Okay, this is 1 2A, and this is type 1B. So we will continue this in our next video. We will get each and every material of this building, okay, separately, from wall to tiles and each and everything. So today we start this. Hope you guys like this my video. So as you guys know that I'm working on estimation of the drawings of different drawings of Australia, whether they are commercial or whether they are house buildings. Okay, if you have any drawing, please give me the drawing. I request you and give me the rights to use this in my video. For that, I will give you 5 costs free of cost. Okay, that will be perfect quantity, and that will never let you down for that. And thanks for watching my video. Hope see you soon on my next video. If you like my work, kindly share, subscribe, and like my channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.